Hello, good morning. I want to buy one ticket, please.
Good morning. Welcome to the City History Museum. The ticket is $10.
I am a student at the local university here. Do you have a special price?
Yes, we have a student discount price. The price is $8 for you.
$8 is much better. Here is my money and my student card.
Thank you. Here is your ticket for entry today. Please hold the ticket carefully.
Thank you. When does the museum close for the evening today?
We are open until 6 o'clock this evening. You have many hours.
6 o'clock is a long time. I have a lot of time to look at the art.
Do you need a map of the museum rooms? It is a very big place.
Yes, please give me a map. I do not want to get lost inside.
Here is the map. All the big rooms are marked with a number.
That is helpful. I see room 3 is for old paintings.
Yes, room 3 has paintings from the year 1800. They are very beautiful.
I like very old things. I want to see the oldest object today.
The oldest object is in room 5 on the second floor.
Room 5 on the second floor. I will go there first now.
Please enjoy your visit today. The doors are open for you now.
Thank you very much for your help and the map.
You are welcome. Please ask if you need more help later on.
I will ask you more questions if I cannot find room 5.
That is fine. I will be here at this counter all morning.
Excuse me, Mark. I am sorry to ask you a second time now.
Hello again. Do you need help finding a specific room?
Yes, I am searching for the Roman coins exhibit. I cannot find it.
The Roman coins are a very popular exhibit here. They are very old.
The map says it is near the ancient history sign. I see no sign.
You are almost there, but you must turn right at the big column now.
Turn right at the big stone column over there. I see it now.
Yes, after you turn right, you will see a small dark red door.
A small dark red door. Does the sign say room 4 above the door?
No, the sign does not say a number. It says Treasures of Rome.
Treasures of Rome. That is what I want to see today.
You will see a small statue of a horse near the entrance, too.
A horse statue. I will use that statue as my final landmark.
The Roman coins are in a special case inside room 4.
Are there any gold coins in that special display case?
Yes, there are 3 very rare and shiny gold coins inside.
Gold coins are always the most exciting things to see in a museum.
The coins are over 2,000 years old, so be careful not to touch the case.
2,000 years old? I will only look at them with my eyes.
That room is a bit dark to protect the old paper documents.
Dark is okay. I will use the light from the display case glass.
Good. Please go straight ahead, turn right at the column, and you are there.
Mark, this small clay pot is the oldest thing here, right? It looks very, very old.
Yes, this specific clay pot is 4,000 years old. It is from the very first people in this city.
4,000 years. I cannot imagine life in that very old time.
They used this pot for cooking food over an open fire. It was a useful object.
It looks so simple now. Did they write any letters on the pot?
No, they did not write any letters yet. They communicated using simple pictures.
The simple life must have been very hard without modern tools.
Yes, their life was hard. They worked outside all day, every day.
What special material did they use to make this strong clay pot?
They found this special clay in the riverbed near the mountains.
The river clay made a very strong and lasting material for cooking.
We found this pot hidden in the ground near the river area last year.
Finding such an old object must be an exciting moment for the workers.
It is very exciting. It tells us a story about our city's long past.
I am looking closely at the small, rough handle now. It is a simple design.
The handle was for pouring water or oil from the pot slowly.
Did they put this small pot inside a special glass case to protect it?
Yes, the case keeps the air and the light from damaging the old clay.
Protection is necessary for such an important, old historical treasure.
We want this pot to stay here for another 4,000 years.
I hope it does stay here forever for all people to see. Excuse me, Mark. Can I take a photo of this beautiful old painting now?
Yes, you can take a photo of the painting with your phone. That is allowed.
Thank you. I want to send this picture to my mother at home.
Please remember a very important rule when you take the photo.
What is the special rule for taking pictures in this room?
You must not use the flash on your phone camera. Keep the flash off.
No flash photography. Why is the flashlight not permitted here?
The bright flashlight is very strong. It can damage the old paint colors over time.
Oh, I understand. Protecting the colors is more important than a bright photo.
Yes, we must protect all the art for the next generation of visitors.
I will turn the flash off now before I take the picture of the painting.
Thank you for respecting the important rules of the museum.
Can I also make a short video of the statues in the next room?
Making a short video is also fine. Just do not use the flashlight there either.
Okay, no flash for photos and no flash for the video recording.
That is correct. We want you to capture your memories here.
This big painting is my favorite. The colors are very bright and happy.
That painting shows a special celebration day from the year 1920.
It looks like a very happy and fun party for the people. Mark, I have looked at all the main rooms now. They are very interesting.
I'm glad you enjoyed the rooms. Are you interested in a guided walking tour?
Yes, I want to hear more stories about the art. When does the next tour start?
We have the final walking tour of the day starting soon. It is for 1 hour.
That sounds perfect. What is the exact starting time for the final tour?
The tour starts in exactly 15 minutes from now. It is at 3:30 p.m.
3:30 p.m. I have enough time to get a quick coffee before it starts.
Yes, the coffee shop is located downstairs near the main entrance door.
Where do the visitors meet the guide for the start of the tour?
The guide waits near the large statue of the famous city founder.
The large statue is easy to find. I saw it when I first came in.
The tour will cover the most important artifacts on the first and second floors.
Will the tour talk about the 4,000-year-old clay pot I saw?
Yes, the guide will tell you many more amazing facts about that old pot.
I want to hear the full story of that pot now. It is my favorite object.
The guided tour is free for all the museum visitors today.
Free is wonderful. I do not need to pay extra money for the guide.
Just be there at 3:30 p.m. sharp near the big statue.
I will be there on time. I do not want to miss any of the stories.
Have a nice small break for your coffee now.
Thank you for telling me about this great free opportunity. Mark, thank you again for all your help and the advice today.
You are very welcome, Lana. Did you enjoy the final guided tour?
Yes, the guide was very good. I learned many new things about the city's past.
I am very glad to hear that you had a very good and educational time.
The story about the old pot was much more interesting with the guide.
We try to make history interesting for all our museum visitors.
I also took many beautiful photos without using the flashlight.
That is excellent. You respected the rules and protected the old paintings.
The time here passed very quickly. I feel like it was only 1 hour.
Time often flies when you are learning and looking at wonderful art.
I will tell all my university friends to come and visit this museum soon.
Thank you for the kind recommendation. We always welcome new students.
I might buy a small souvenir from the gift shop near the door now.
That is a great idea. The gift shop has very nice small history books.
I need a book to remember the story of the ancient city.
Please come back and visit us again soon for the new exhibits.
I will come back for sure when the museum gets new art.
We hope you have a very nice rest of your afternoon now.
You too, Mark. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Lana. Thank you for coming today.